we've got in B&Q. We've got to find an half round piece of wood for where the tile meets the wooden floor. What else we've got to get?
Trimming
Oh, we've got the trim, haven't we?
for the door.
Oh, some decorator's cork for the coving. And then she just rang me saying there's a curtain pole loose, so I think we're going to put a piece of wood at the back of it, so we need a bit of wood for that. And I think that's about it, so we'll go and find it. Wood. No, they're all flat.
Yeah, flat, not half round.
I'm pretty sure there's some round stuff here.
Long enough.
What's that? What's that? 12 mil? No. I think we need about 20 mil. What's that?
18 mil.
18 mil?
Yeah.
That's not going to be far off, is it?
27 mil.
We've got, I think, tiles are 9 mil. That subfloor concrete thing is 9 mil. Then a bit of tile adhesive. So,
Yeah, 20 mil.
what's that? That's too thick, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
Is there any more?
no. None of that in. Nothing will be big enough there, would it?
That's it, that's all we've got in it. That'll do. Let's take one of these.
That's all not damage.
We'll make it fit. Right, next. We don't need a big one. We've just got a small one out of there. That'll do for the door. So we need a bit of wood for the curtain pole to sit on. And I'm thinking
What colour?
skirting board or archy should do it. Well, white saves the painting, doesn't it? Sort Yeah, we do. Alright, we'll have one of these. Right, we've got them. So, decorator's cork. Detour. Detour by the tools. Ooh, tools. This way, tools. Some new saws. Grinders. That's my cheap little grinder, look. Oh, 30 quid now, look. Is that 30 quid?
30 quid.
30 quid?
Next display, that's why.
It's not bad.
Not bad. Not bad.
Cork. 1, 2, 3.
It just wrong with the back. The problem we have.
Right, let's go. Okay, first two jobs, we've got to decorate a cork this coving, and then we've got to grout the tiles at the back of this Aga. Let's crack on. That's it, cove's done, tiling's done, that's two jobs out of the way. So, job number 3, that piece of wood we picked up, we've got to put that on the bottom of the door. I'm just going to get this bar off and then we'll test this wood, see if it's the right size. 29-inch, you can cut that, Tim. Thank you. What's it like? Oh, look at that. To the mill. Oh, look at that, isn't it? Lovely. Mega strength adhesive we're going for. Oh god. upstairs. 5 to 10 minutes setting time. Then we can put some grout in here. So time is 11 o'clock. I'm just in van having a sandwich, quick sandwich, while I'm waiting for that thing to dry, that piece of wood, and we can grout it up. So I've just got a list in front of me, and it says Phoebe's light, so one at lights in kids' rooms needs doing, bathroom light that needs sorting, bathroom shower seal, bathroom tap, Alex's curtain pole, coving we've done, and the other bits that we've done, and have a look at the windows in the kitchen, see if we can get them to open, because apparently they don't open. So right, finish my sandwich off and we'll crack on. So if you see me standing all over them kitchen units, they're getting new tops on them, so she's throwing them out, and then they're getting some quartz tops, but we're not fitting them because we don't do quartz or anything, because you've got to cut them and join them, and you need to be a specialist for that one, so we're not doing that job, thankfully. So right, let's crack on. Right, that's that in and grouted. Let's go upstairs and we'll check out this curtain pole. I'm just throwing a sheet down. Nice. That's the new one. No stops. It goes right out back under the toilet. So we have to turn it off at the mains. Stop. Not good.
Not good.
I took the stop top off downstairs. Also, so now I'm on the hunt for the mains. It's feeding straight from where the meter is or something. Can I turn it? It's tricky. Right. See if that's done it. Well, that's done it.
That's done it, isn't it?
The last. Okay, try and get this nut off. If we give it a wiggle, I have to slack it nut with my hand. Yeah. Right, I've got water back on. Give it a clean. It's better. So leave my mate doing that bath. We'll have a look. Light in here or something. There we go, look. The next problem. Another one. Wasn't too bad. That just looks like hook had come out of the ceiling, so I just had to put a new hole in and put hook back up. This is it, the last job of the day. We've just got to switch this light over for a new one. That's it, so we have a new light in here, new tap and bath plug. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Little handyman. So join me in the next episode of The Handyman. See you later.